I'm going to show you how to add and subtract students from the Treering account. So first we need to go to treering.com in the internet, and it's going to ask you to sign in. It might take you to a home page in which you would just hit login. Your login is always going to be your email address, and the first time it's going to be Bluebirds. We're going to be working on updating the students in the program. So we need to be going over here to our editor tools and down to people. This is where we see all the students who are currently in the program. Sometimes you'll see an occasional parent in there, not worried about that. You can filter them by the student's name. You can filter them by the student's grade, and so on and so forth. You'll notice that there's no freshmen currently in the program. That's because they are new this year, and we're going to need to enter all of them. We're also going to go through and find any students that moved away and delete them. And we're going to find any duplicates in the system and delete them. And we're going to add any new or foreign exchange students. So in order to add a student, come up here to add student, add an individual, and you're going to type in their name. Please double check that you spell their name correctly. I have a list right here that has all of the current students enrolled. If something changes, we need to get a new list from Debbie up at the office. Okay, we don't need to worry about the teacher, but we do need to make sure that the grade is correct. Verify this. I'd like to have the parents' emails in there, but I'll have to go back and add those later. So hit continue. Guest list NA. Oh, you have to put the student's email in here for sure, which is always going to be last name, first initial, at student.usd411.org. And there he is. Now, if I want to delete a duplicate, like if we scroll down and find here, 2 Audrey Radas. One of them has a parent's name. We want to keep that one because it has more information. So the second one that's missing the parent's name, we're going to come over here to the settings and delete them because we only want one of each student. It makes it easier when we build our index at the end of the year. So go through here, delete any duplicates, delete any students that are not on the current enrollment list, add your freshmen, your new students, and your foreign exchange students, and make sure that the grades are correct on all of them.